It's coming along beautifully. Yes, yes, yes. The baby lock has done it for me again. Hey y'all, we're back again. Not sure if you can see my screen. I have a special request for this shirt. I'm going to move you guys a little bit so you can see. I had a special request for this shirt. Excuse my light in the background. So I took on the challenge. So we're here. And this is what we're doing this challenge day. I'm trying a new view. But I'm going to let my cameraman know I don't think I'm crazy about this view. But anyway, this is my new challenge on the red t-shirt, Delta Sigma Theta. And I'm so excited about it. And just for, don't know her, she saw some other stuff I did. She went on my Labor Day and she reached out to me. And I told her, sure, I'll do it for her. So here we are. I'm going to get a closer view for you all. And we'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully this view is better for you all. Because I really want you all to see it and share this moment as well with me. Again, this is a challenge. Someone reached out to me for my Labor Day promo. And asked if I could do it. I said gladly, I will do it for her. And here we are. It's a red t-shirt. The white design, and already the Delta is looking beautiful. Now the Sigma is coming through, so it's really looking nice. I'm just going to let you watch for a little while and I'll be back. Okay, now it's on the Theta. It's coming along very well. I'm impressed myself. I love my baby lock, Visionary. Single needle, but everything about it is amazing. It does the same or maybe even more than a 10 and 15 needle. Yes, you have to change threads, but the threading is so easy. Again, I love my baby lock, Visionary, Solaris. This is coming along beautifully. When I had it, I did another bobbin thread, but fortunately that was a quick and easy fix. So I finished out the Greek word delta, sigma, theta. And now it's going to type out the wording delta, sigma, theta. The young lady is going to be well pleased with this, considering it's something she picked out, and she asked if I could do it on a t-shirt. She specifically requested embroidery, and I'm so excited that I was able to adhere to her request. Again, I love the fact that even though it's a single needle, but it still gets the job done just as well as a 10 or 15. This particular job is 50 minutes, and it's only one color. So I'm sure you can hear the smile in my voice. So stay tuned, and we'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm back again. Sorry I lost track of time, but we're coming along. We have 41 minutes left into this shirt. So now it's doing the hand sign, the hand signal, I don't know, whatever it's called, but it's coming along beautifully. Yes, yes, yes. The baby lock has done it for me again. Stay tuned. We'll be back with the finished product.